To set messages in a chat on WhatsApp to auto disappear after 7 days in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. And then tap the required chat you like to enable its disappearing message feature. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select disappearing messages. And then select 7 days. Tap the back icon. By choosing this setting, new messages will disappear automatically from this chat for everyone 7 days after you send them, except to those messages you kept. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.